It's been almost 5 years since Susan Forsyth's son was found murdered, but justice remains uncertain.
I've gone through many delays before COVID even came into the picture. It's just delay after delay.
The case has faced repeated setbacks, with the accused killer changing lawyers several times. Then COVID closed the courts, leaving jury trials across Ontario lingering in limbo, and families like Jeffrey Johnston's waiting for answers.
For a mother, it's very difficult. If I'd heard these stories from someone, I wouldn't have believed it. And now I'm actually living it.
The jury trial for the man accused of Johnston's murder was set to start here at the Oshawa Courthouse in 2020. Another date, set for 2021, was scrapped. Then it was supposed to start in February, around the same time that jury trials were suspended yet again because of the pandemic. The next trial date is now set for November, 59 months from when her son was killed. Last fall, the province announced it would spend $72 million over the next 2 years for more court staff. The Ministry of the Attorney General told CityNews that money is already working its way through the system. But defense lawyers say too many Ontarians are still not getting the support they need to resolve their cases. Clearing the backlog, they say, begins with properly funding legal aid.
Otherwise, chaos will continue to ensue, and that's what we've been seeing.
The delays also mean defendants don't get their day in court.
We really need to emphasize the right to trial in a reasonable time and why that is so important, not just for my client, not just for the accused person, but for society as a whole. Again, if we want a just system where all participants feel heard and valued and like they've been a part of it, well, then let's make sure that these matters get to trial.
In 2019, the Ford government slashed funding to legal aid by $133 million.
Doug Ford's cuts to legal aid were devastating.
If elected, the NDP is promising to reverse those cuts.
It's actually a cost savings to invest in legal aid. Something like for every dollar invested into legal aid, you get a $6 savings.
The Liberals are also vowing to reverse cuts to legal aid, while the Greens are pitching mental health court diversion. The press secretary for Doug Ford's Attorney General stopped responding to emails from CityNews.
I've reached out to the Attorney General. And with nothing.
But Forsyth, whose story we first shared with you last year, isn't hopeful the next government will fix a justice system that was already under serious strain pre-COVID.
You can't let any family sit for 59 months. I just shake my head at the whole justice system.
For now, all she can do is wait for justice and hope, though delayed, it is not denied in November. Caryn Ceolin, CityNews.